People, this is my fourth review of the day, and this time I'm reviewing this film called Slumdog Millionaire. Did you notice that Amitabh Bachchan was first approached to play the role of, what Anil Kapoor did in the film of a quiz master, and for whatever reason he couldn't do the film. Which now, when I think of it, it is like they say, no, everything turns out a blessing in disguise, because you could tell that Amitabh Bachchan must have felt a little bad that he couldn't do this film, especially since this film went to the Oscars. It was like but had Amitabh Bachchan done this film, probably the Indian public would have got scared once he really again, because the film is about a game show host, who tries to mislead a small little slum boy, like the small little he's a young man actually, and they choose to call him Slumdog Millionaire, and I'm told there was a lot of controversy with regard to this, using the word slumdog there. But in the American context, slumdog is not as profane as one would think it is. They basically are trying to highlight the fact that people from different backgrounds can hope to with the sheer dint of their hard work or determination, they can become millionaires too. So the basic message is really good of the film. And the music, oh my god, the music, it's like A.R. Rahman, he won the Oscar for it, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, for his song Jai Ho. And basically every song in the film is special. But considering I'm an Indian and most people who watch this video are probably Indians, and the fact is, we've seen A.R. Rahman's music to be, he's originally a Tamilian, right? So his Tamil music is like god level, Hindi music is like heaven level, and now that he's making making music for crossover films, or Hollywood level films, it's probably earth level. So I know, whatever, very weird analogy, but that's just my little observation as a fan who basically, people, you all know, right? I've written a book which sold over 10,000 copies. So in the original book, the first edition, which was published by my mom, and it was published in Hyderabad, the opening of my book is dedicated to A.R. Rahman, where I say, you know uh, whatever, for A.R. Rahman, in whose music the divine resides, no disputes allowed. So that's because the book was about a bunch of lawyers. So I found that pretty cute way of phrasing the thing. So, and in fact, the chief guest who came to speak, Mrs. Karuna Gopal, she kind of highlighted that point, and I found it so sweet of her. Yeah. So thank you so much. So I think this video is becoming more personal than it should. But seriously, people, so Slumdog Millionaire, the film is about that, right? It's about how someone from, even, from a slum can someday shoot for the stars and actually reach there. So, and the film did reach the stars, like it did so well. So amazing film, 5-star rating, brilliant. Just go watch it. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.